Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Amazon has become the one-stop shop for an unbelievable amount of online purchases. The e-commerce kingpin has a huge selection where you'll find household names, low prices. So, in today's video, we will be showing you some of the cheapest gadgets on Amazon. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. InCharge 6 Universal Cable Connector. This universal cable connector has 4 different types of cable inputs/outputs, offering all of the connectivity possibilities you'll ever need. It is ultra tough, made of high-quality materials. The InCharge 6 has a zinc aluminum alloy metal housing, TPU cable guard, and 90 braided copper wires. It is very lightweight, portable, and easy to use. With magnetic attachment abilities, easily snap the head together and hang it on your key ring. Able to charge and sync simultaneously, quickly transfer data from your portable device to your PC or laptop while charging. This universal cable supports power transfer from one smartphone to another, as well as from one smartphone to another type of portable device. Number 9. Muzen Wild Mini Rugged Outdoor Speaker. Ready to perform no matter the occasion, adventure, or weather condition, the Muzen Wild Mini Bluetooth speaker packs the perfect punch for rugged, indestructible reliability with a remarkably bold sound for its size. Able to fit in the palm of your hand, this powerful Bluetooth speaker produces loud and clear sound. For ultimate portability, you can clip it onto your backpack with the strap while you're hiking or traveling. Connects to Bluetooth devices in less than 5 seconds and easily controls song tracks and volume at the speaker. It also has a flashlight. It has a compact design, making it small enough to store in your pocket, bag, or even clip to your belt without weighing you down. Number 8. Philips All-in-One Trimmer Series. Perfect your beard with this exclusive series. Follow the red line of light to get a sharp, symmetrical trim on both sides of your face. The trimmer has been thoroughly checked for home use and is safe. The full metal stainless is very smooth. That means they are made to last a very long time and cut through even the thickest hair. Style your beard with ultimate accuracy by choosing a hair length down to 0.2 millimeters precision. Use the zoom wheel to select and lock in the length you want, from 0.4 millimeters all the way to 7 millimeters. Trim your stubble in one quick stroke. Number 7. Cyberclean. The original Cyberclean Swiss and patented formula eliminates 99.999% of the germs. The revolutionary high-tech cleaning compound removes dirt and kills bacteria. The patented formula absorbs dirt and dust using the microencapsulation function and provides deep cleaning action. It even cleans gaps where conventional cleaners fail and frees surfaces from fungi and bacteria that can cause sickness. Cyberclean Car is perfect for dashboards, ceiling wheels, storage containers, and under buttons/switches. It is simple and efficient. Just press it on and the dirt is gone. This product is laboratory tested, non-toxic, and biodegradable. Each zip bag contains 80 grams blue Cyberclean and refreshing lemon essence. Number 6. Hillucky's Portable Solar Charger. This allows you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. Auto-detect your device's current to pair the optimal output. Built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode can be used as an emergency light in the dark. Waterproof, dustproof, and shock design is ideal for outdoor use. With 4 highly efficient solar panels, it is up to 1 amp input current under the sunlight. Endless charges in the sun, also supports wall charger. 25,000 mAh Li polymer battery. It can charge your phone 8 to 10 times or tablets 3 to 4 times for an average of 9 days of use per charge. Nowadays, a number of technology brands are jumping on the bandwagon of offering eco-friendly products, including power banks. Although this initiative is indeed an exciting one, not everyone is ready to embrace solar power banks due to their dubious performance. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Number 5. Magnetic Levitating Speaker. This levitating speaker adopts the newest magnetic levitation techniques and make orb speaker levitating in the air with 14 mm suspension height, which is able to attract people's eyes. The floating Bluetooth speaker and base illuminates different color LED lights continuously, which can create a dreamlike atmosphere in the dark. The magnetic levitating speaker is equipped with an advanced Bluetooth 5.0 version, which you can connect various devices with the speaker smoothly and use it stably within 33 feet of transmission range. Number 4. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker doesn't actually boil your eggs, it steams them. But don't worry, the result is indistinguishable from actual boiled eggs. The base of the egg cooker contains a heating element that you add water to. The cooker fits up to 6 eggs that sit suspended above the water in a plastic tray. As the water heats and turns into steam, your eggs cook to your desired doneness. You determine your doneness by the amount of water you add to the tray. The egg cooker comes with a small measuring cup with fill lines on it. On one side are lines for soft-boiled, medium-boiled, and hard-boiled eggs, and on the other side are lines for poached eggs and omelets. On the bottom of the measuring cup is a small pin. Number 3. Coast A9R Rechargeable LED. The A9R pen light merges legendary inspection beam, a perfect circle of flawless light, with sleek and professional styling that looks great in a shirt or pants pocket. Multiple color options include stainless steel, black, green, orange, red, and blue, and the steel pocket clip makes for easy carry when you don't need your beam. Recharge the lithium polymer battery by placing the ProFlex charging cap over the end of the flashlight, and you'll power right up, getting 3 hours of clear sight with a beam distance of 20 meters. Constructed of top-grade aluminum, the single-mode A9R is stormproof and dust-resistant. With Coast's commitment to quality, the A9R flashlight is impact-resistant, weather-resistant, and the LED is virtually unbreakable. Number 2. Haas Bell Scientific Explorer. Hear conversations up to 300 feet away. Recommended for children 6 years old and older. Use the product in a spacious and broad place, and don't use it with a lot of appliances around. Noise reduction and a parabolic sound collecting dish for better hearing. Look through the targeting scope and then pull the trigger to amplify sound. No SIM card and SD card needed, can record sounds for 12 seconds itself. Other features include on-off switch, 8x monocular, frequency controller, record button, playback button, and free headphone. Number 1. Kelime Large Rigid Broom. Self-cleaning tooth picker. Built-in scraper and comb to easily clean the bathroom and the dustpan, clean pet hair and human hair with a pull of the teeth. No need to worry about cleaning hair and confetti on the bedroom. Truly flat dustpan. Dustpan not lying flat on the ground is currently the most common complaint from customers. The creator of Kelime Large Rigid Broom are determined to solve this problem completely. The new rubber edge of the dustpan conforms to surfaces so dust doesn't sweep under it. The 4-row stiff bristles are thicker and longer and withstand indoor and outdoor use in multiple scenes. 55.9-inch long handle broom. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below which gadget you like the most and why. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.